Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's get to it. So first we're going to start off with the Nicka K brow pencil in the shade dark brown. And we're just simply going to outline the bottom of our brow. This step is a whole lot easier if you already got them waxed, threaded, plucked, whatever floats your boat. We're going to do the same thing at the top. And we're doing this just to get the outline first. And it'll be so much easier to fill in after. While I outline this next brow, this video is not sped up at all, so if you guys need to rewind and go back with me, take it back. Let's rewind it a little bit. But right now I'm just going to outline this next brow and then we'll be right back with more. This brow pencil, you can also get this from your local beauty supply store. I know we're on quarantine right now, guys. I know it sucks, but you can get this at your local beauty supply store for $1 or $2. It's very inexpensive. Very, very inexpensive. Now I'm just going in and filling in the outline. And I'm filling in the sparse areas. I'm not filling in the complete brow. I'm filling in wherever it needs to be filled in. I personally feel like filling in after the outline also helps with using too much product, because you can have a lot of brow buildup and your brow will look completely crazy, and we're not trying to do that. So filling in after the outline helps a lot. Now I know you guys are questioning, why in the hell did she extend out the front of her brow? You'll see why later on in the video. But then during the fill-in process as well, I don't fill in the complete brow like I said, but I do not go past where my natural brows are. So like the hairs that are in the front of my brows, I do not go past that. Okay, so this right here is the reason why I do not fill in the front of my brows all the way. I'm taking a spoolie brush and I'm brushing that product back into my brows to create a gradient effect in the beginning. So kind of like a fade, or like I said, like a gradient effect. And right here you'll see me turn my brush. All I'm doing is brushing the front brow hairs upward so it can look more natural. And guys, if you brush away too much of the product, that's perfectly fine. Just go back with your pencil and fill it in and brush as needed. Now for my favorite part, the concealer, the cleaning up process. The part where you get to sculpt and make your brows look how you want them to look. So this step is very, very, very important. So I know my lines look very neat, but trust me, it did not start out that way. So if you guys are beginners and you're watching this step is very important. You want to use a flat brush similar to the one I'm using and literally sculpt out your outline. That's the best way I can put this, you guys. I'm really bad at explaining this, but that's the best way I can put it. You just want to sculpt out that outline. And I just kind of made it up close so you guys can see. but you're going to do this at the top and the bottom. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn to outline the top and bottom. That's just my neutral shade. That's a shade that works for me. And guys, during this step, it's okay if you mess up. You do have more product with your pencil or your powder or your eyebrow gel, whatever you're using to create this eyebrow look. If you're following it at home, it's okay to mess up. It's okay, we all make mistakes. And I'm gonna show you a few mistakes in this video that I did make and how to fix them. But don't forget guys, practice makes perfect. Just keep going, keep striving for better, and don't let nobody stop your hustle. Period. So now I'm going to go in with a small fluffy brush and I'm simply going to buff out that concealer line so it's not harsh. And so now I'm just going to outline the top of my brow. I kid you not guys, this is the hardest part of my brow process because I mess up every time. But like I said, practice makes perfect. And you guys think I do pretty good, but y'all, I really be struggling. So enjoy these next few mistakes that I make, how I fix them, and just continue watching.